Hi, Hazem Gaber here, and today we're going to look at the second principle for the standard of project management. The second principle is known as team. A project team is made up of individuals with diverse skills, knowledge, and experience, and they work together to accomplish a shared objective in a way that is more efficient and more effective than each person working on their own. That's the whole point of having a team. Every project is delivered by a team, and they work within their own cultures and within their own guidelines, but they end up establishing their own local culture. So the local culture is a subculture of the organizational culture. When a project team collaborates well, it ends up having alignment with the organizational culture and guidelines. People on the team learn and develop, and they deliver the organization's desired outcomes. Now, how do we build a team? Well, there's a few items. First, there's an agreement. Agreement could be written, it could be verbal, it could be unwritten, it could be understood, but basically the agreement tells us how the team is expected to behave. There can also be a formal organizational structure. So we have the team leader, a project manager, and then we have coordinators, and then we have different people, and the structure tells us who reports to who and what each person's role is. Third, we have processes. So a project team has a process that tells us how they're going to complete each task or assignment. Fourth, there's authority. The project team always has to have authority. Authority is the right to make a decision, improve a procedure, use a resource, expend a funds, or give approval. Somebody has to give you authority. You don't just have it when you wake up in the morning. So within the team, for example, authority might come from the organization or the owner or the project sponsor. Next, we have accountability. Accountability is being answerable for an outcome. So if the project fails, somebody is responsible. Accountability is not shared. The whole team should not be punished for a failure. If it is, that's called collective punishment. It doesn't work very well. There always needs to be one person who's responsible. That's usually the project manager. And when we have accountability that works with authority, then the project manager has authority to remove or discipline or mentor people on the team who are not delivering so that he can deliver success. If a project manager is given accountability but no authority to change a bad situation, then the project's going to fail. And then last, we have responsibility. Responsibility is your obligation to do something. Every person on the team has responsibility, and responsibility can be shared. If you have any questions, please post a comment.